All right, today I just want to talk about a BTS setup I've been using recently, and it's just too good not to share. If you're doing professional creative work or you're just sharing your stuff on YouTube, Instagram, you'll probably notice that a lot of BTS content has been performing really well. And not just performing well, but it's really interesting to see how creative works get made at the highest level all the way down to kind of like the lowest cost level.
See if you can sort of look behind you as he goes. That's good. That's a good turn. Okay. Ride, then look behind him. Look forward. Make those quick moves. You look back, then forward. Yeah, that's better. Okay. More abrupt. Okay, that's good.
Now, me personally, a lot of this YouTube channel is just about me sharing my process, and also my short form content. If you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all of that content mostly is A, showcasing a cool creative idea, and then B, showing how I created that cool idea. I think sharing behind the scenes content is both educational, but it's also really entertaining. All right, enough yapping. So the BTS setup that I've been rocking recently is the Insta360 X5 on a shoulder clip or a Beetle clip. This video is not sponsored. You can use any 360 camera you like. The key here is utilizing a shoulder clip on either your left or your right shoulder. And the setup I'm using is my 360 camera screwed into this tilt and swivel, kind of like L bracket, adjustable bracket, into the PGY Tech. I think it's called a Beetle clip or the shoulder clip. I'll have this all linked down below, don't worry. Have you stand right by that pole over there? Now, if you've shot BTS, you'll know that it's pretty annoying sometimes to either set up a tripod and then kind of like do your work in that frame, or hire somebody or pay somebody to go ahead and come on set and shoot BTS for you. Especially if you're doing a lot of things on your own and you're kind of just like gunning, or you're just doing creative projects without large crews and you just want to work really swiftly, really quickly, then this setup is actually super useful. The reason being is that when you shoot in this setup, I like to capture 360 footage. Now, 360 footage, basically from its vantage point of either on your left shoulder or your right shoulder, it's slightly offset. So you can see both your camera, the subject, and a little bit of yourself, depending on how you reframe the actual clips. Basically what I do is just click record before I go out to shoot and just let it run. And then in post, I could reframe this vertically for social content on IG or TikTok, or horizontally for these YouTube videos. It's super versatile. And the great thing is when you're shooting, it's not a hindrance. It's not super heavy. It's basically just on your shoulder and you basically forget it's even there. You can go ahead and use your hands freely. It's not like directly in your line of view. I've talked in the past about the neck strap, which basically sits right in the middle of your chest. And when you use the neck strap, one of the negative things about that is oftentimes your actual camera in front of you or whatever you're holding blocks the line of sight between you and your actual subject. Whereas with this setup, that's totally not an issue because it's slightly offset. You get both the subject, your camera, and yourself. So it's a great location to have it. If you end up trying this setup, or if you have any other recommendations, leave them down below. I'm always happy to hear what you guys are using in your shoots. As always, if you want to support the channel, check out my LUTs, sound effects, presets. Just a quick one today. Thanks again for watching to the very end, and I'll see you guys in the next one.